The differences between a private and family bank versus a public bank is that in the private and family bank, the family retains ownership of their blood. So in the private family bank, when that individual is born, the family gives the blood to that bank and they retain the rights to that blood. And in the event that a family member is sick or injured or comes down with a disease, they can call upon and have that blood or those stem cells returned to them for treatment. The cost for that is somewhere between $1,000 and $2,000, with annual storage fees between $100 and $125. And if those stem cells are needed to be released to them, the fee is zero. Now, the difference in the public bank, if the family decides not to have that blood or stem cells safe for them, the blood and stem cells is released to the public domain. And in that public domain, it's free to anyone who needs it. However, if a family member then is injured or sick, that blood is not available to them again. However, they can look to that public domain or that public storage facility and look for a match later on. However, the charge to retrieve blood from that public domain is somewhere between $15,000 and $35,000. And once they give up that blood or those stem cells to that public domain, only between 46 to 67% of those blood is actually stored in that public bank, and the rest is actually released. Now, the interesting thing is that for the purpose of regenerative medicine, which is the exciting thing of stem cells, is the idea that the future of medicine may be related to stem cell therapies. The idea that we'll be able to use our stem cells to treat us for heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, spinal cord injuries, stroke, liver disease, muscular dystrophy, and a whole host of other diseases and disorders that we don't even know about. And for those diseases, we actually need our own stem cells. So you have one opportunity to get your stem cells, and that's at birth for these early types of stem cells. And if you don't get it and you don't preserve it, you'll give it up. So it's my belief that if you don't store it and you don't preserve it, that you'll give up this unique opportunity.